The CBI GOM has been finalized. In fact, the first meeting will be on the 20th or the 21st of this month itself. The chairman of this GOM is P. Chidambaram, and other members are going to be Narayanaswamy, Kapil Sibal, Salman Khurshid, and special invitees are the Attorney General, the CBI Director and the CVC. Remember, this is coming after the scathing observations made by the Supreme Court, by the Apex Court on the autonomy angle when it comes to CBI, and this is clearly the impact of that SC order. Now the GOM has been finalized and Prema is with us. Yes, Prema, give us the details.
Well, now the official notification is out and the GOM has been finalized. The first meeting of the GOM is all set to take place either on the 20th or the 21st, and the chairman of the GOM is P. Chidambaram, and we are also getting to know that the other members are Narayanaswamy, Kapil Sibal, Salman Khurshid, and there are special invitees in this GOM, which is going to be the Attorney General, the CBI Director, the CVC, and the terms of reference is to evolve a statutory framework for securing independence of the CBI in line with the Supreme Court order, to bring out functional autonomy of the CBI and to insulate CBI from external influence and other issues arising out of concerns raised by Supreme Court. All this is going to be addressed by the GOM. In fact, if you remember earlier, the Supreme Court had made very glaring observations regarding how the CBI needs to be insulated from political interference and how there should be autonomy as far as the CBI's functioning is concerned. Now, the government has now decided to set up this GOM to see how these concerns raised by the Supreme Court can be addressed. The GOM notification officially has been out, and as I already told you, the chairman is going to be Chidambaram, and the other members are Narayanaswamy, Kapil Sibal, Salman Khurshid, and the special invitees are going to be the CBI Director himself and the AG and the CVC. Back to you.
Right, and in fact, Prema, we must all remember the backdrop to this GOM in fact coming in, because the Supreme Court had called the CBI a caged parrot, and in fact the CBI chief on this channel had accepted those remarks, saying that yes, that is true. So there is a lot which needs to be done. What are going to be the points of reference to this GOM specifically?
Well, exactly. In fact, if you, as you mentioned earlier, the Supreme Court had made these observations regarding how the CBI is time and again being used by the political executive to serve their own purposes. And we also know the instance of a famous instance of how the CBI director had shown the document of the Colgate papers, and how the law minister had vetted these documents, which gave rise to this huge controversy. Now, the Supreme Court had also made certain observations regarding how the CBI has to be made autonomous. The Supreme Court, in fact, last time had asked the government to set up a mechanism to ensure that there is autonomy as far as the CBI functioning is concerned, and if the government doesn't do anything to bring out make the changes, it seems the Supreme Court will step in and will take action. So following this, the government had a meeting, and finally it was the Prime Minister himself who decided that a GOM has to be set up to ensure that, to bring out ways and means to ensure that the CBI to ensure that there is more autonomy as far as the CBI's functioning is concerned. We also spoke to the CBI Director earlier, and we also got a confirmation that the GOM was going to be finalized, and the CBI Director had said that he has been invited and he is going to be a special invitee. But now the official notification is out, and the ministers who are going to be part of this GOM is Chidambaram, Narayanaswamy.
Right, Prema.